An animal intelligence. Wait, jellyfish has 0.1 IQ. So dumb. B1 IQ, spider 1.3, snake 1.5. Oh, now we're going. Ants are smarter than snakes. A bat is smarter than a snake. Hamster is smarter than an ant and a... Okay, it will make sense. A sloth has a 3 IQ, but it still doesn't know how to be faster. Chicken is smarter than... Oh my... I can't believe this. Who do you think? Which animal? I think a bunny... Okay, there you go. That's a bunny. A rabbit is 5.2. Which animal would be the smartest? A monkey? Apes? Like anything that is as close to a human? Dolphins are really smart, yeah. 5.2. Crow. Flamingo 5.3. Oh, elephants are really smart. I would say elephants, dolphins, like top 5. Elephants, dolphins, monkeys. Oh, zebra 6.2. Turkey is so much smarter than a chicken. Oh, pigeons are actually smart. What? What about dogs and cats? Oh my god. Raccoon is 7.4, guys. Pigeons are smarter than crow. What? A horse 8.1. I love horses. Cow is smarter than a horse. A goat is smarter than a horse. Man, squirrels are smart. No wonder in Rick and Morty we had that one episode of squirrels taking over the universe. Sheesh. Falcon 10 IQ. Wow. You jellyfish. From now on, if I want to call you stupid, I call you a jellyfish. Oh, there we got the elephant. 12.6. A rat is smarter than an elephant. No wonder elephants are scared from rats. Male African elephants can reach 3 meters tall and weigh between 4,000 and 7,500 kilograms. Sheep is so much smarter than cows. Okay, there you go. Dogs have 19. Pigs are smarter than dogs. And cats are smarter than dogs with 21 IQ. Let's go! Dog. Okay, a whale with 27. Crocodile 32. Cheetah 33. They're the same, yeah. Jaguar or jaguar. Honey badger 36. Polar bears with 41. How do they don't know? Oh no. Why is the current AI in the animal intelligence? What do you mean? What is this video, man? 47.3 IQ for current AI in the middle of the animal tier by the end. The term artificial intelligence was first coined by John McCarthy in 1956. AI is not an animal. Octopus was 73. Bro, where are the monkeys? Monkeys with 100 IQ. Predicted AI in 2100. Oh my god. Okay, this is a troll of a video. 200, like double our IQ. Google CEO claimed that artificial intelligence will be more transformative to humanity than electricity. Literally, the first video we checked today was Asmund AI, and we were so terrified. Like, we were surprised and shocked, but at the same time, Terminator is about to happen sooner than later. Also, Apparently octopus is the smartest, but they didn't even mention monkeys. I don't get it. Wait, let me see in the comments. I'm wondering how a pigeon has higher IQ than a crow. Everyone. It's a freaking pigeon. How are they smarter? This list is worthless. Yeah. How come there are no dolphins? I think there were dolphins. I'm not sure. Human at 100, that definitely fluctuates. Actually, true. Imagine being an octopus and realizing you're smarter than equatorial genie normal IQ. Yeah, I completely messed up pronunciations there. I cannot. I don't understand. I disagree 100%. I kinda do. That was such a sus list. I don't trust. Don't trust this list. Sus, bruh, sus.